Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, I'm going to show you my drink. It's a tiki drink. And, this is called a Tahiti Club. So I've already blended it up in my blender and put it in my tiki mug. Careful there, Mookie. So what I'll do is I'll put... Good girl. So what I'll do is I'll put the recipe up on the screen. 1 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of dark rum, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of lime juice, and some maraschino liqueur. Now today I'm using Luxardo Originale. It's got some interesting flavors. I'm just gonna go to their website here. Smooth but sharp. At the same time, hints of dark chocolate, vanilla, and orange marmalade. The tall green bottle with its red cap is still hand-plated in straw within the company and resembles the maraschino bottles produced in Zara in the early days, where the straw was placed in order to prevent damage during the transportation. Luxardo Marichino Originale can be enjoyed with many classic cocktails or neat or as an after-dinner drink, Mookie. It is also ideal over fruits such as strawberries, pineapples, oranges, etc., or as a flavor over ice cream. All right, so that's my Tahiti Club. Coming up next, we're going to go out to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. For the appetizer, I'm getting a recipe from Janet and Greta's book, Looneyspoons. Janet and Greta had a cooking show in Canada. It was called Eat, Shrink, and Be Merry. It was, of course, healthy, fun recipes. So the recipe I'm taking today is called Chicken Littles. So it's a Japanese Rumaki, bacon-wrapped ginger-marinated bites, and water chestnuts. So I'll just give you the ingredients if you want to make it at home. It calls for reduced sodium soy sauce, brown sugar, grated ginger root, grated orange zest, ground coriander and curry powder, minced garlic, 2 large boneless skinless chicken breasts. I'll probably use chicken thighs just because I like them better. And then 12 whole water chestnuts canned, 12 slices of bacon cut into half crosswise, and 24 round wooden toothpicks. All right, so we're heading out to Lake Okanagan for Chicken Littles for Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I'm just waiting for my Japanese Rumaki or Chicken Littles to be done. I did make a drink. This is a tiki drink, classic tiki drink. This is called a fog cutter. Now there's a lot of fog cutter recipes out there, but I'm just using the recipe from my Bartender's Guide by John K. Waters. I'll put the ingredients up on the screen. All right, so we got 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of OJ, ½ ounce of orgeat, that's just almond flavored simple syrup, and 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of brandy, a ½ ounce of gin, and a ½ ounce of sweet cherry. And that's fog cutter. All right, stay tuned for those Chicken Littles. They're on their way. All right, we're just gonna do the marinade for my Chicken Littles. So it starts out with a 1/4 cup of reduced sodium soy sauce. I'm just going to put it all in the bag and then let it marinate. Probably let it go overnight. Okay, so we got 1/4 cup of reduced sodium soy sauce, 2 heaping teaspoons of brown sugar, brown sugar. All right, what's up next? A grated ginger root. I like to freeze my ginger, and then it grates nicely. You can see it's frozen. It just grates way better. Here, maybe we'll get a little plate. I like lots of ginger. It says 1 tablespoon. I guess you can really overdo it on the ginger, but it adds a nice Asian flavor to it. Okay, that's a good tablespoon. So into the party, the ginger goes. What's next? Teaspoon of grated, or a teaspoon of orange zest. It says grated orange zest. So I got a zester, fresh orange. So the zest has all the oils, and there's tons of not just flavor, but the fragrance of the citrus oil. Okay, then it calls for some minced garlic. I'm just going to substitute a little bit of garlic salt. And some coriander. And then it calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. I'm just going to leave it out. I don't like curry powder. So, all right. So I'm gonna cut the chicken up afterwards. Their recipe, you cut it, you assemble everything, and then marinate it. Now, and also their recipe, they got chicken breasts using chicken thighs, just because I like chicken thighs better. So yeah, I am gonna let this marinate overnight. Now, I'll cut the chicken, assemble it with the water chestnuts and the bacon. They say to bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that. I might use my hot air fryer. I might put them in the smoker. Who knows? But that's a day away because we're going to let it marinate overnight.
1 day later.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a new episode every Friday, so make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.